Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are visiting Ammapali temple. Ammapali temple is very near to Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, around 12 km far from the Hyderabad airport. It was raining on and off on the day we went and the roads just looked stunning. This is the entrance to the Ammapali temple. This temple is also known as Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami temple. Have you seen this temple before? This temple is very famous for movie shootings. I have read somewhere that more than 400 Telugu movie shooting taken place here so far, and some Hindi and Tamil movies. Fun fact is that at least one shot of the temple is included in the movie. The movies will be a successful one. But now they are not allowing shootings here. During a Telugu movie shooting last time, some part of the temple was damaged. There is side corridor around the temple and near to Gopuram there are steps to climb up this. Don't miss to climb up and catch the view from here. This temple is said to have been built by Chalukyas sometime between 7th and 12th centuries. It is said that Lord Rama stopped to rest here during his journey to Dandakaranya forest. This Gopuram is 80 feet long and there are intricate walks done on this Gopuram and it looks really beautiful. Near to the temple there is a big step well. But now the well is dry. There is no water in it. We went to this temple around 4 to 4:30. That time crowd was very less. But as soon as we came out of the temple to visit the step well, people started coming in. So if you don't want much rush, go by 4:30 in the evening. This place is really nice with a lot of trees around. And around the temple area there are many farmlands. You can walk around anywhere in this place. It was really a nice experience. After visiting the temple, we went to Nanajipur waterfalls. We visited Ammapali temple. From there we are now going to Nanajipur waterfalls. It's just 9 km away from this place. This is the waterfall area actually, but they are saying right now there's no water. Only when there is heavy rainfall, this waterfall will be formed. When water is there, it will overflow, right? Right now it's an empty area. but unfortunately, there is no water right now. So we had to come back without seeing the waterfall. So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you soon with another video. If you like the video, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.